All right. This is going to be an exciting one. I have a bunch of new products that I'm going to be trying out with you guys. And check out this look. Oh my goodness. Perfect for spring with Easter coming ahead. If you guys want to see how I achieved all of this wonderfulness, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to be trying out is by Illamasqua. It is the Hydra Veil Rehydrating Gel. This is what the box looks like. It says it is the best-selling clear gel, instantly helps skin feel hydrated and smoothed, yada yada yada. It's the perfect base for long wear foundation application, leaving your skin looking flawless. Blurs appearance of fine lines and makes your skin look smoother. So this is what this little guy looks like out of the box. The packaging is super cute. And when you open it up, it's like this jelly formula inside. Just going to get some on my finger. As you can see that, it's just like a clear gel. I can feel it on my skin and it's leaving like a grip. Like it's harder for me to drag my fingers across my face, which I think will be great for the foundation to stick to. I don't have a new foundation, so I'm just going to use one that I know I like because I do have a new concealer. So I'm just going to quickly throw on the Maybelline New York, the Superstay 24-hour foundation. I love this stuff, so let me quickly throw that on this face. Now that my foundation is on, I have the new e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. So I have been seeing this all over, and everyone is saying such amazing things about it that I had to try it. So I have mine in the shade Medium Peach. They only had a few at my Walmart to choose from, and this one was the lightest one, so I thought I would give it a go. It's the size of the doe foot applicator is quite nice. It feels like a creamy consistency. That blended out really, really nicely. I'm quite liking how that's looking. The next new thing that I picked up, now it's not new, but it's new to me. It is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Shadow Stick Foundation Contour. So it looks like this. I seen it and I thought it would give me the perfect contour shade. And I've been really enjoying cream contours lately, so we're going to give it a go. And I'm just going to use my Real Techniques sponge I've been using to blend it all in. To set everything, I'm going to use the CoverGirl True Blend and Translucent Light. This is a pressed setting powder. I think I used it like once. So I don't know, I don't really know my thoughts of it. I'm gonna go in with my sponge. I like how everything is looking so far. I think my base looks nice. So now I'm going to go in with my Cover FX palette that we got in BoxyCharm. This is on the Sephora website, and I think it retails for $50. Mine is in the shade Light Medium. This is what the inside looks like. So I'm going to take this brush here. It's a Moda brush. I'm going to dip it into this contour shade, and I'm going to go over where I had that Anastasia stick. Now I'm going to take another Moda brush, and I'm going to go in with the blush shade. For highlighter, I do have a new Ofra highlighter. This is in the shade Star Island. I am so excited to use this. It looks gorgeous. I mean, seriously. Do you see that? It looks so pretty. Cannot wait to put this on my face. So I will be using my Real Techniques brush, and we're just gonna pop it on. So pretty. All right, this might be my new favorite highlighter. Oh my goodness. It is so pretty, guys. Loving that. Now, before we go any further, I'm going to use this iconic London. It is this brow cushion. And I'm going to fix up these bad boys here. Eyebrows are on. I did get this in BoxyCharm, but I did only use it the one time in my try-on. That's why I didn't show you me putting it on today. If you do want to see that, however, I will leave BoxyCharm for March linked right up here. This is also the nail polish that we got in BoxyCharm that I did not try on. Well, I did the try-on for the box. Now that that's out of the way. For eyeshadow today, I have one by e.l.f. Check this out. Oh my goodness, these colors look amazing. It's by e.l.f. It's super affordable. It is called the 18 Hit Wonders. And oh my goodness, these shades just, I don't know, it screams spring to me. So I want to create a really fun, bright spring look for you guys. And there is no mirror in this palette, so I'm gonna have to use a handheld mirror. So sorry for that. Anyways, let's hop right into it. I'm going to start with Peachy, and I'm taking it on a Tom Ford number 13. And I'm going to pop this in as my transition shade. And I'm going to bring it up quite high. Now, I think I'm going to go in with this green shade here called Evergreen. When I think spring, I think of green grass coming out, the sunshine, flowers blooming. So that's kind of what I'm gearing towards. This I'm going to focus just in this outer corner. Now I think I'm going to go in with this blue shade called Electric. And I'm going to layer that beside this green. I'm just kind of like stamping it in there. I'm not really rubbing it. I'll kind of blend everything together afterwards. Now I'm going to take this candy shade right here. It looks like it's pink and it looks like it could be duochrome. I'm going to take that on a flat brush and I'm going to spray it with my MAC Fix Plus. And that's going to go on the inner portion of my eye. So now that we're looking like this, I'm going to go back in with Peachy and that Tom Ford blending brush. And I'm going to go around these edges. Now I'm going to take some of that Evergreen on a MAC 239. I'm just going to kind of reshape this outer corner and drag it in through the crease. I am getting some fallout, so I'm just going to brush that away. For my inner corner, I'm going in with Solar, which is this fantastic bright yellow. Now I'm just going to mimic the same colors underneath that I did on the top. Now I think I want to take a little bit more of that yellow color, and I think I want to drag that kind of above here to tie into that inner corner a bit. Not much, just a bit. For my brow bone, I'm gonna jump in with that Ofra highlighter that we used on our face. And I'm going to put that just directly under the brow bone. Now I'm going to finish these eyes. And the rest of my eyes are done. So for my top liner, I used this Eye Contour Precision Liquid Liner by Sistar. You know, I don't think I like it. The felt tip is a little too stiff for me. So yeah, on my bottom line, I use the Urban Decay in Chaos. Love these. And for my mascara today, I tried out the Tarte Man Eater mascara. This is the first time I've used it, and I don't know. It's okay. It's not my favorite mascara, but it's okay. For my lips, I am going to try out this Too Faced, what is this called? Let me grab the box. This is the La Creme Color Drenched Lip Cream. I got this because my lips have been so dry. I thought this would be a nice formula, and it is a nice pinky color, so I thought it would be great for spring. And to set everything, I'm going to use the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. Alright guys, this is the final look. I am beyond thrilled with that eyeshadow palette from e.l.f. Oh my goodness. Do you see these colors? As well as everything else. The highlighter. Oh, let me get up closer so you guys can see. Make sure I'm in focus. Yes, this is gonna be some good times ahead playing with these new products. Anyways, I had so much fun trying these out with you guys. If you like these kinds of videos, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified of any upcoming videos, you know you gotta hit the bell. And until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.